Promises, promises. Everywhere we turn, the world is full of promises.
Howdy there, the name's Jack Thomas. Have you heard of our unbreakable mugs? Drop them, throw them, golly, hit them with a hammer. You cannot break these little babies. That's a Jack Thomas promise. What do you say?
It's pretty hard to turn down a promise, isn't it? They're so tempting.
Thank you. Toodles.
But most of the time, the world promises a lot more than it actually delivers.
Need some super strength super glue to fix your broken unbreakable mug? I've got the solution.
The Bible tells us that the world's promises are never trustworthy. And when we don't choose God's promises, things can get sketchy pretty fast.
I've got just the thing. You can buff out that damaged table. This sander is foolproof for anyone to use. Feeling weak? We can help you get in shape. Introducing Fitness in 5. 5 minutes a day to take the flab away. And 1. And 1. Lift. Come on, Wimpy. You're pathetic. You need
Barbarian Baby Energy Brew.
work like a barbarian, sleep like a baby. Can't sleep? Try Bulldoze. 1 pill and you'll go right to sleep.
Wouldn't it be nice to have someone whose promises you can always rely on? Well, you do. God. In the history of the world, he has never made a promise he hasn't kept.
Mrs. Williams! I have something that'll help you. That's a Jack Thomas promise.
So remember, when the world breaks its promises, God is faithful.
Mrs. Williams? Mrs. Williams? Mrs. Williams! Hello? I have something for your messy house. No, don't leave it, Mrs. Williams. Can you still hear me from there? I'll give you an extended warranty. 2 years. 3 years? All right, 5 years guaranteed. Mrs. Williams, please just talk to me.